Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to update a table using alias name in SQL. We used to give the alias name at the end of the table while writing the inner joins or subqueries. Suppose here I have two tables, emp details underscore table and emp department table. So in emp details I have department ID and in department table I have department ID and department name. When you want to get the department name, you can use the alias table name while using inner join. So I am taking emp details as G, inner join with DEPT, and I am giving alias name as D for department table. So in on condition, I just mentioned E dot department ID DEPT underscore ID is equal to D dot ID. So here we just giving name emp name e dot name comma d dot name d dot department. So if we execute this one, you will get the results. So here E and D is the alias names of the table. So instead of writing the complete table name, we just use the alias name for giving just E and D. Select statement, whatever the columns we require from these two tables, we just mention the alias name and their column names to get the output. So this is how we need to get the alias name. Now I will show one example how to update. This is only select statement. How to update the table using alias name. So I will show two tables of my tables. Select star from. One is emp source. One is emp source. You check this source table. This is the data. So second one is emp target. Emp target. So same data is available both in source and uh, destination table, except for ID number one. So ID number one in source I have manager, whereas in target table I have just team lead. If you observe the data, ID number one only one change in the entire two tables. ID number one is showing in target table as senior team lead, whereas in source table the same ID as manager. Now I want to update this position in the target table using alias name. So if there are more updations and insertions, generally we use it to write the merge statement to update the target table based on the source table. Now we have only one change in the table, the two tables, that is position. I want to update the position in employee source table to position in target table for only for ID number one. In this scenario, I use the update statement instead of writing the merge statement. Update statement. So I will use the update statement and use the alias name of the table and update the data. Make sure once again source table as manager. Target table for ID number 101, it is showing senior team lead. I want to update this position using alias name. Update. So source. In which table I want to update target table. So instead of employee target, I just put the T. T is my alias name. Set is the keyword. I can take this S dot position. S means source. So here both T and S are alias names. S dot position equal to T dot position. From which table? From emp source. I am giving here alias name as yes and inner join. inner join with target table. Target table, I'm taking this position as T. So on s dot id equal to t dot id, where I need to update only one record, 101. T dot id is equal to 101. This is the query. So I want to update the position T dot position with s dot position, means source array. So this is for employee source. I am taking the alias name as S, and target table I am taking the alias name as T. So I am updating the T. T here is target table. T set the T dot position is equal to S dot position. So I want to replace the S dot position into T dot position from this source table, inner joining with the target table, and based on the on condition, I am joining the two tables where in where I will put the my requirement. I want to update only for ID number 101. So once again make sure the ID number 101 in source table it is showing manager, and in target table it is showing senior team lead. Once after executing this query, target table will change this position from manager, from senior team lead to manager. So I am running the query. One row is affected, and check your target table area of the manager. The same you find in. So this is how you need to update your table data using alias name by joining with the other table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.